Moto maimbe, moto maimbe, moto maimbe, moto maimbe, moto maimbe, moto maimbe, moto maimbe. We, wonyanyuwe, eteme, embwe mabangeya. Eteme, manembori. My brothers, my sisters, before I start this video go particularly to the Fako people, the Fako indigenes, all we brothers them, those who live in Ekona Lelu Musaka, Wonyakanda, Bova, Wokulu, Wolivamba, Wojoku, Wonjia, Mokunda, Bakingili, Batoke, Benga, Moliwe, Muselele, Likumba, Tiko, Mutengene, Obo, Eluani Idina, Wonyadionga, Wondongo, Mokunda, Meya down everywhere. Womaka, Moliko. I want to call all Bakweri people. Romi Tata King is Romi. Thank you, Tata King, very much. Without you, we to no go start gate, we name like Bakweri people. We no go get start them, they no go know we. Anything we do and people no go see them like na better thing. I don't come today for talk about Bakweri. Bakweri people, their land. I don't come today for talk particularly about CDC. About CDC land. Bakweri people, we get to wake up. We get to wake up. If we not take note, I need to talk today about problem where it happen for Cameroon. I need to talk about Bakweri people, their land. I would like for first of all for put blame for all chiefs them. When I don't make Cameroon government and other strangers where they don't come up for that other side for Yaoundé, for their own side where we don't even know their land whose side they don't come buy land them for the whole Bakweri lands, all Bakweri chiefs them. They don't join, sell land them all. These people don't take power now. They don't come now. They the one control even CDC. The small land where it remain. They don't go take them. They want to take them again for control them. Where instead, they still owe we money for about 100 years where they never pay rent for that land. About 100 years. This CDC, they be create this CDC, they not be create and say na Bakweri people they get CDC. No. This CDC be being a pride company for Southern Cameroonians. It not be being a government company, be being a company that create them so that they go develop and help Southern Cameroons. This company not be being a company where it get anything for link with government. It not be being a company where they be put and say when they can't unite. Government where they in power go control them. This company be being a Southern Cameroonians, their company where they give them power, it help their children develop their pikin them, send them for scholarship. CDC be being a say when you work for CDC, you don't reach on level whether you go school or you not go school. So scholarship come out for that position where they want to elevate you, develop you for your ideas for that particular field or career. They go send you abroad for study. People be where they go Malaysia. People be where they go England. People be where they go Japan. People they go all side for the world, even Nigeria, when I see this be descended. Because we be see and say we parents them that time. They be see and say this CDC be being at the pride of Southern Cameroonians. CDC be get a lot of facilities where they help people minus this Sonara. Where it don't come now. CDC be the top. It be our pride. But what it happen today? These chiefs them for Yaoundé, for La Republique, they don't come. They confuse with people them. He start for Anamangu, he go for Mafani Mosonge. He come for Jalakwan, go for Molanjie. He start for Anamangu. Taiwa Anamangu de power. He assistant Bibina Mr. Gray. Na wine man, English man. CDC Bibina Plum Munyong. We be the league na milk for CDC. Because we, the underprivileged, na there we grow for camp. We know where to be CDC. CDC land, na Bakweri people, the Fako people, they be offered the land for free. They say every month or every year they get some amount where they get to give the Bakweri chiefs for their land. That's why it be big plan. So when they don't go make this a fake Fumban conference where they say we be united, they come start control that CDC. They start control that CDC. When they don't reach the point where they don't start control even the land where they need the parent, where they owe we money for that land. We chief them, then she don't still look up. We then normal, Bakweri people when I walk up, we then normal, they don't sell all land. This moment we remain to SGO, which right where SGO get them for tell Bakweri chief them, may they not touch their own land where God give them. Which right? Which right SGO get them for inside Bakweri land? Which right? Which right SGO get them for talk say make people not build, Bakweri people not build inside their own land? Which right? Bakweri people go shidon, we just shidon. All things they climb for head. We did there with the LS support, with the die the go, with the die the go, with the die the go, with the weak the go, with the weak the go. It don't reach a point where we not get voice again. Bakweri people not get voice again. Any man they can't do anything for Fako. All man the just shidon quiet. When one they want talk, una coach we be bad people. Bakweri people una walk up. How SDO Yaounde man, he go give order, may chief them. They not do something for their own land. May they not give their own land or they develop their land. Una she don't look up. For outside that one they happen. Which Yaounde man don't ever talk for his own side. May the chief if he open him up talk for a chief. Bakweri people una walk up. Chief, they una stop for selling land for foreigners. Una stop. They go finish we all oh. Now so narrate that Bakweri man when I get on land where all the come out, God bless you. It dey like as I dey inside my house here. I see some place, I want to go dig, I see some money or mine of gold. I go call my MP for near me here. Say I don't see some money and gold for my house. My head no correct. That one are the craze. Now madness that. Una walk up Bakweri people. What did it happen? Una go she done the match una. So na right day before Bakweri picking one fine work, he go be a cleaner or a big gate man. People go come up for here on the cash she done for post where they don't where una don't finish. People then are oil and gas get the day they don't study for England. Bakweri get them. They don't do oil and gas management. They don't do they don't do geology. They don't do petroleum engineer. Kind engineer, mechanical where they fit control that sonara. CDC, who's are they? They don't pack only French people. Wait till we did do. Bakweri people now walk up. That SGO for Limbe. Now the one in this would give. Now the last time they give any order for land for Bakweri people. You don't get no hand for talk about Bakweri people. I want the video to make go very well. SGO for Limbe or Dio or whatsoever. You don't get nothing for talk about Bakweri land. Bakweri mayor them, they fit talk. Yes. No be SGO. We no one hear anything SGO. Those are colonial people. Now I bring trouble for land. SGO governor, not even want to una self. Una just go. Una own too much. I dey call all Bakweri people, the chiefs and the elites, all man stand strong for a foot. If not be so, I dey tell una mark this, put it on record. We go lost all with land, lost all power, lost with culture. Na me I dey tell una. When one talk, una go talk, oh, wonja then. No, we dey fight for we people. We dey fight. I go tell una today, na the thing we did, we dey fight for una. I fit say she don for my house here. I do all I do for England as I know they come back till I die. Nothing no go happen. I go live well here. But I tell una so they fight for una. And we picking them. That's why we are fighting. Back where the people una walk up. Una no fit she done. So na that day we no fit walk. Picking they don't finish university, Toton the open. They go carry picking them for year one day. For some kind side they won't not even know. They go carry the control we own picking them. For we own thing we come up where God give we. Then una she done the same way. They go give letter. Tell me general manager for CCC. Make it ultimatum for chief them. Make they not touch land them for backward people. Una she don't quiet. They give ultimatum for Chico. We own land. They say make people not build. Say na deal. Una she don't quiet. Now what is wrong with the we backward people? Hey. Una walk up a back. Una walk up. And the chief then too, una too don't tire for sell land. Una no go live and so. Una live and so. Moto tell me. We tire una. We tire. We mami they go big grave now. They don't know what it happen. Una own too much. Anyway, may God bless we. I just cry in blood. Bye.